How do we know we are getting the right nutrients on our meals? Nutrition need not be complicated. In this video, we are going to simplify it with an effective visual tool. The plate method was derived from USDA. It can be used for any food anywhere in the world. The aim is to fill half of the plate with veggies and fruits with a proportion of vegetables slightly higher, 1/4 with grains and starches, and 1/4 with proteins with inclusion of dairy. Let's break this down. Vegetables and fruits form half of the plate because they are immensely nutritious. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, and whatnot. This includes all curries, sabjis, and salads. But potato, corn, and yam does not fall under this category because they come under starchy carbohydrates. Grains and starches. We aim it for 1/4 of the plate. Commonly referred to as carbs, they offer a fantastic source of energy in addition to B vitamins and minerals. Examples include rice, roti, oats, bread, pastas, millets, and ragi. Some examples of starches include potatoes, yams, and corns. Try prioritizing whole grains like millets and brown rice when possible, as they offer even more nutrients and fiber, which is beneficial for regular digestion and blood sugar stabilization. Proteins. They form the final 1/4 of the plate. They are the building blocks of life and keep us fuller for longer. Legume-based sources include beans, lentils, and peas, which can be taken in the form of dals and curries. Other sources include meat, eggs, and dairy products. Dairy. This can be included in the side of the meal. Sources include milk and curd. It contains calcium that is critical for the maintenance of our bone health throughout our lifespan. Indian Medical Council also includes fat in this category. Fats aid in the absorption of vitamins. This includes oils, ghee, nuts, and seeds. The key point is to keep oil in moderation. Portion sizes are not depicted in this method because how much we need will vary from person to person depending on age, gender, activity level, and health status. This method is just a template. It need not be perfect always. That's okay. But by following this method most of the time, things tend to balance out. We have given links in the description box for more details and a downloadable PDF of the plate method which could be stuck on the fridge or kitchen to help you and your family members. Hope you like this information. If you want to hear more such content, please subscribe to our channel. We also have business case studies which we will release every week. Thanks for watching.